Hey there, welcome back to Side Channel today.
Hunkered down in his Florida bunker. The ultimate doomsday prepper. Inside a rock-hard shell, 6 feet underground. Now that's how you stay safe. But even a recluse needs to eat. For a gopher tortoise, leaving your burrow may well be daunting, but to find fresh shoots, he needs to come out of his shell and out of his comfort zone. Come on, how scary can it be? Here goes nothing. The neighbors seem pretty harmless, all busy keeping Florida's longleaf pine forest in tip-top condition. Pollinators, tree planters, even pest controllers. But it's best to give some a wide berth. For our play-it-safe tortoise, coming out of his shell seems to have paid off with a midsummer feast. But he can't let his guard down, because high summer is also wildfire season. It's nature's way of making space for new life to grow. If he can't get back to his burrow, he'll be cooked in his own shell. Time to put the pedal to the metal. Burning at over 600 degrees, the fire claims an acre every 10 seconds. Amazingly, the tortoise has survived. But how? He didn't make it home. But he has dug safety bunkers all over this forest. And his doomsday prepping hasn't just saved his own skin. Over 300 different species seek shelter from summer wildfires in the burrows of gopher tortoises. He has saved his neighbors.